family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. But y'all, went to Dollar General, but before that I had got up, and before I even looked at my phone, I cut on and was looking at TV for YouTube. And there is one YouTuber that I look at every morning on on Sunday to let me know what deals are really out there. Because sometimes I look at my phone and just look at the sales ad and then look at my coupons. But then if I don't feel like looking at my phone, I just cut on the TV and look at her channel, which is Weight Watchers Mom on a Budget video. I'm hoping I'm saying it correctly. Yeah, it's Weight Watchers Mom on a Budget. She actually brings the deals so you can see what is on sale and what coupons that are actually attaching to that. Okay, so I went into the store, and this is what I got. I didn't mean to spend over the amount, but it's all good. So if y'all want to know, y'all can go out there and get these deals. One coupon, y'all, is not attaching. I'm just letting you all know. So I'll tell you as I go by. So the first thing I got was this Colgate Max Fresh toothbrush. I'm sorry. The Max White toothbrush, and it's a soft. It is $3.35. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Colgate Max Fresh. It is $3, and there is a $2 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is this odor lifter, and it's the 19 count. Let me turn it over for you so you can see. 19 packs. It is, let me see, how much was that all? $4.50 on sale. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attached. I got the Crest. Now, y'all know this Crest, and it has to be the over 2X more right here. This is $1, okay? There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, and it will give you the $1 over. It all depends on if your store is a old store or a new store. It all depends. It's either you're going to get it free or you can get $1 overage. Good thing that the store that is close to me is an old store right now, and my $2 did come off, and I just had to buy one. The next thing is the Oral-B floss picks. These Oral-B floss picks, let's see how much they are. $3.35. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Y'all, we haven't had a floss pick coupon in a while, as far as, you know, getting it at a low price. So if anybody's wanting floss picks, you better go and get you some. And then I got the Puffs Plus Lotions 4-pack. The Puff Tissue. It is the tissue. It is $5.75. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. Then the next thing, I always like to get the Clover Valley vegetable oil when they have them, because between that, the sugar, and the brown sugar, I really like to get those. But y'all, they not really giving you the coupons like they used to. So I'm not going to get on the soapbox on that, but the digital coupon did not attach to this. And it's supposed to be 48 ounces that is supposed to attach to. And I got the 48 ounces. And my digital coupon did not attach. So you might want to look out for that. And make sure that before you leave the store, or before you check out, that digital coupon that is attaching if you are trying to get that, okay? Then the last thing is the Bounty Essentials paper towel. All right. This is the 6 large rolls. They are, let's see, it is, what is it? Where's my Bounty at? Oh, I'm sorry. $5.95, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So, y'all, my subtotal was $14.46. I was not planning on spending $14.46, but I needed some tissue and I needed some paper towel in my life, okay? Because tissue, don't have none. It's been a while since I've gotten some, and the paper towel, I'm completely out. This is I got to stock up on for me, because I'm completely out, and this is all I have because, honey, it goes through hotcakes at my house, okay? So let me show you my receipt, and you know everybody's taxes is different. So here we go. You see there's the Bounty, there's the vegetable oil where the coupon did not attach, and then there's the Almighty Packs, the Oral-B, the Crest, the Colgate, and there's the tissue, puff tissue. Tax subtotal is $14.46. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And look at my total savings, $15.74. Now, you see where the Puff Cube lotion is? That store discount? It says $4.74. Actually, it should have just came completely off for $5 birthday, and it should have been for the whole total. You know, it should have been some more that came off of, you know, like a 25 cents off, or they could have broke it down, and they didn't. So y'all might want to look at that. I don't know, some people, it did that for their birthday. Go in my comments and let me know if, you know, your birthday was before November or in November and you used it and they didn't take off the whole $5. Just let me know. All right. So this right here. Oh, and I'm sorry. I did get a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.